Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, and I'm super excited to share it with you. If you're into custom apparel, small businesses, or just love creating unique stuff at home, then this product is going to blow your mind. Say hello to the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer, a game changer in the world of garment printing. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly design, this printer is set to revolutionize the way you create custom apparel. One of the standout features of the K13 Lite is its A3 size printing capability. This means you can produce larger transfer designs and handle more demanding garment printing projects with ease. Imagine being able to create stunning, professional-quality prints on a wide range of fabrics, from t-shirts to hoodies, and even larger items like tote bags or pillowcases. The A3 printing area offers greater flexibility for custom apparel, helping small businesses and creators expand their product range and take their brand to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the K13 Lite gives you the freedom to unleash your creativity and bring your designs to life in a big way. But what really sets the K13 Lite apart is its ability to create a cleaner workspace, especially when paired with Procolored's smokeless oven curing unit. This combination is a total game changer, reducing odors and airborne fumes compared to traditional curing setups. This means you can work comfortably in your home studio or indoor production space without worrying about unpleasant smells or harmful particles in the air. Plus, the smokeless oven is designed to work seamlessly with the K13 Lite, making it easy to cure your prints and get them ready to wear. Whether you're working from home or in a shared studio space, the K13 Lite and smokeless oven combo is the perfect solution for anyone looking to create custom apparel without the hassle and mess of traditional printing methods. Now, let's talk about maintenance. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a big project, and your printer decides to jam or clog, causing you to lose valuable time and productivity. But with the K13 Lite, those days are behind you. Equipped with LiteHead Technology, this printer is designed to simplify maintenance and reduce service complexity. The automatic cleaning functions help prevent clogging and ink drying, allowing beginners and experienced users alike to maintain stable performance with less manual intervention. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing custom apparel and growing your business, without worrying about the hassle and expense of printer maintenance. But that's not all. The K13 Lite also features smart protection and stable white ink flow, thanks to its advanced infrared Printhead safeguard system. This system monitors the printing area in real time, detecting film warping and foreign particles as small as 2 millimeters to help protect the printhead. Plus, the automatic white ink circulation system runs every 30 minutes to prevent sedimentation and ensure smooth, consistent printing. And with G7 certified color accuracy, optimized color curves, and Procolored Studio Lite software, you can trust that your prints will look amazing with accurate color reproduction from screen to fabric. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the K13 Lite gives you the tools and confidence you need to create professional quality custom apparel that will wow your customers and set you apart from the competition. In conclusion, the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine, packed with features that will take your custom apparel game to the next level. With its A3 size printing capability, cleaner workspace, easy maintenance, and smart protection features, this printer is the perfect solution for anyone looking to create stunning, professional quality prints with ease. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the K13 Lite and start creating amazing custom apparel today. Trust me, your customers and your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!